Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Human Conference. I would like to kick things off by asking you all a question. What exactly is a human? As most of you know, we have been studying humans for about 10 years now. We have a lot of fascinating information on this species. In this slide, we can see an example of a male human and a female human. Humans are a very diverse species. They appear to be able to adapt to many different environments. In this slide, we can see examples of humans going about their daily lives. As we can see, they appear to live in a vast array of different types of environments. Humans are very mysterious creatures. They display a number of strange behaviors. One of these strange behaviors is that they spend a lot of time looking at themselves in the mirror. But there are other things that they do that are much stranger. For example, they do something that they call fart. Here is an example of the sound of a fart. The sound of the fart comes out of the anus, and the character of the sound appears to depend on what the human has recently eaten. Some known examples of loud and colorful fart inducers in humans are cooked beans and Brussels sprouts. Most farts are odorless, but those with a distinct smell often have a rotten egg odor. Adorable, don't you think? Another sound that humans make is known as a burp. Here is an example of the sound of a burp. The sound of the burp comes out of the mouth, and the character of the sound appears to depend on what the human has recently drunk. Some known examples of loud and colorful burp inducers in humans include sparkling water and beer. Burps typically smell like the food recently eaten or the current contents of the stomach. We have some time for questions. Does anyone have any questions? Yes, you in the red top?
Are they dangerous? Do they pose any threat to species outside of Earth?
That is a really good question. At this point, they are only dangerous to themselves. They pose no danger to species outside of Earth, yet. Does anyone else have a question? Yes, you in the yellow poncho.
What do humans smell like?
Generally, humans smell either sweet, sour, tangy, or like onions. Well, that is all we have time for today. I am Zolatashica Pardaroras. Thank you for coming. See you next time.